Hope and welcome back to my channel. Today is the part 2 of my Indiana travel vlog. Let's just get started with the video. Today, my dad is going to be flying home by himself and my papa is going to drive me to my cousin's house. My cousin's on my dad's side. And because they are around 30-45 minutes away from here, and then we are going to be staying with them until Wednesday. So we just got to my cousin's house, and they're not here. So I rang the doorbell, no answer, so we went in because the door was unlocked. We went in and Reese was like, "Hello, we're here." No answer. Went into a different room. "Hello, we're here." No answer. Did that a few times. We looked around. Lights are off everywhere, even the basement. We thought they might be like trying to surprise us or something. Nope. One of their cars is gone and they are not here. So hopefully they'll get back soon. We have no idea where they are. This is great. Okay, so my cousins are here now. We just ate lunch, and then we were doing the thing where you put your legs in the air, and they go in airplane. And they put their belly on your feet, you know, the airplane thing. Anyways, and now I think we're about to. I have no idea what we're about to do. Bubbles. Bubbles. Okay. So right now we are playing Black Panther, where everybody counts, then one person hides, and we look for them, and when you find them, you yell Black Panther, and then they come and chase after everybody, and you have to try and get to the base, which for us is the basketball hoop, and if they tag you before you get to the base, then you are the new Black Panther. So I'm trying to find Reese. Oh! She found her. I don't know what I'm going to do because she's closer to the base than me. She tricked us because she hid in almost the exact same spot twice. Oh! I made it! So our cousins have this really cool playhouse. It's there's a slide, there's the under, and I think you can put a table under there. There's something there. There's another slide, and there's a big play area, some swings, there's monkey bars, and then there's this thing that Reese and I are on. It's like a duo swing. And Reese is eating a really gross popsicle. What you say? Oh, that you only meant when. So we are in their playhouse right now, and we're trying to clean it up because it's kind of dirty. And then we're gonna put other stuff in it to make it a lot cozier.
I know what to do.
Okay, now can you just
watch out.
So we are watching a movie right now, and we have some popcorn, and we're all in blankets. So we just finished what we were watching, and I'm going to go brush my teeth, maybe watch a little bit more TV on my own, and then go to bed. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. It is almost 10 o'clock, and I'm going to go get some breakfast. We have chocolate chip pancakes for breakfast. I'm really excited for that. So then this is under their playhouse, and we're making this over today. They've already added some things in here, and we moved these. These were originally up there, but now they're down here, and we're putting cardboard all around. Oh, and there's Cat Sacagawea. Hi. Look who we have here. This is Louie, my cousin's cat. Yeah. So we are finishing up the cake mix right now, and we're going to put it in there once we finish buttering it. Put it in the oven, and then we're going to make some buttercream icing. Then we're going to start on the decorations with the fondant, which I'm actually so excited for because I really like playing with fondant, except it's kind of hard to use. I have not finished decorating my cake yet because right now it is in the fridge cooling off. But we are going to go kayaking right now at the creeks I changed. Okay, everybody. So here is my gorgeous cake.
Mine's better.
We're having so we're having a competition. First looks and then taste. Although they're the same cake, but we did put food dye and they put a lot in. But so looks and taste, and I think I might have a little bit more buttercream. I don't know. And theirs is theirs. Look, they made it like a dinner table with lots of desserts. So here's the cake in the middle, and there's a slice of cake. These are some cups,
It's ours.
cupcakes, and cookies. I know. I said that, but isn't that super cool? Yeah, and then here's mine with marbled food dye in the frosting, and then we have an ice cream cone, and this is just fondant. But it like looks like ice cream. I won the cake competition. We are watching Tom and Jerry. So now my grandparents are here and we're gonna go get lunch with them. So right now we are we're making this slip and slide. We have the hose hooked up. We have the slide right there and we're gonna go down the slide onto the slip and slide. Go. Oh. Seriously.
Okay.
We are trying this again on the hill.
You know the deal.
3, 2, fire!
So we just played Four Corners and now we're making some milkshakes. Yeah, and oh, thanks. And then now we're about to play, or we're making milkshakes, and then we're going to, sorry about the lighting, and we're going to play hide and seek in the dark, which I'm super excited for. I'm probably going to lose though because I can't think of a single good hiding spot. So it's only inside, and then right now I'm in the basement, and so this finished area, off limits, but this open area, we can hide anywhere in there. I have one idea, but I'm probably not going to do it. Because, okay, wait, I'm gonna go where no one's listening. Oh, wait. I probably should not hide in the washing machine or dryer, but that's been my only good idea, so. So we haven't gotten milkshakes yet. Oh my gosh, the lighting is so bad. But we just had 2 rounds. First, adults looking for all the kids just in the basement, and then kids looking for all the adults in just the basement. And then later, we're gonna have only one person looking, and it's gonna be whole house. Let me show you where I was hiding. It's super dark, but I was hiding in kind of this cat so it's a section for the cat. But like, let me show you how far in I was. I was like way down there. I was crouched down a whole bunch. I somehow fit in there though, so, and I was last to be found. So the washer and dryer are off limits, because that's where the person who's counting counts, and I'm counting right now. This is my milkshake. So I found everybody, and now it is time for the second, like, official round. So I just won that round. Let me show you where I was. I don't know how, but I somehow fit in here with this thing. I don't know if you can, like, here's my hand compared to. And it honestly looks bigger on camera than it actually was. Oh my gosh. And that was part 2. I'm having so much fun, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like it, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!